Round 1, going to do a DVD unboxing video for July 22nd, 2021, which got one DVD to show you all, which came from this package. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and open this up. We got the 2009 DVD of Family Guy, Something Dark Side. I got this DVD off of eBay. There's something funny going on here. Special features audio commentary by executive producers Zephyr McFarlane, Mark Hanselman, and David A. Goodman, with writer Kirk Butler, director Dominic Bocchino, and actor Seth Green. Family Guy Backups, the Dark Side of poster art featurette, and sneak peek of Family Guy episode 6. We have a bad feeling about this table read and more. Contains language not suitable for all ages. Parental discretion is advised. Not rated. It's 54 minutes. And there's the disc for Family Guy, Something Dark Side. And you know he'll be watching Family Guy Sundays 9, 9/8/7 Central on Fox. Go green, save the ozone, cut emissions. Finance Week, check your local listings. There's a Family Guy app for that, and that. Freaking Sweet app, Family Guy Uncensored, and Family Guy Filthy Freaking Greetings. All 3 apps available now. Save 10% off when you shop the Family Guy store at foxshop.com. Code FOX5G10. Expires January 31st, 2010. I'm not gonna let you possibly read the code for this because it already expired over 11 years ago. And that's a wrap for this DVD unboxing video for July 22nd, 2021. If you liked the video, please be sure to share, subscribe, comment, and click the post notification bell. This video is now adjourned.